welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am doing a very blingy Jeffree Star DIY. Of course, it's Jeffree. Those that are new to my channel, my name is Gina, also known as the Italian Diva. My son is in the background. If you hear that creaky, cracky pack and play, he's a little big for it now, I think, but he's in there while mommy films. But I love Jeffree Star, and of course, when I do a DIY, it has to be blingy, and I love the fact that it's Jeffree Star related. So I am going to be blinging my Jeffree Star slides. I know things in the world are super crazy and scary right now, so I hope this quick little, hopefully it's quick, but you know me, I like to take my time and bling. Like, this video can kind of take your mind off of everything that's going around and just kind of relax you and just take your mind off things. So I know it's been very scary over here, but this takes my mind off things when I can DIY and do something that I love. So I am going to share with you guys the things that you're going to need if you also want to recreate a pair of Jeffree Star bling Swarovski slides. Alright, so let me show you guys what you're going to need. I put my shoes back in the box like your girl hasn't worn them, but I've worn them a lot. So this is the shoe that I'm going to be blinging. I'm going to be blinging the star and the J's, and I have a good amount of Swarovskis here to do that. Now, I did get a majority of them on sale, but some of them I didn't, and a pack of them I already had, and some are mixed match that I have in my Swarovski bling kit, and then I also have some Swarovski crystals that were in the Swarovski bling kit that came with the kit. So let me start off with, I had this pack at home, and like I mentioned, I did get some on sale, some I didn't. I will tell you guys that this would have normally cost me around $74 to $84, I believe, not good in math, but with the like sale price of things, it was around $50. And I know that they are more expensive than the shoes, but when I do anything bling, I love to use Swarovskis because they're my favorite type of crystal. They're gorgeous, they're sparkly, they're blingy, and they're my favorite. I use Swarovski crystals on my phone, on my nails. They're just like the most prettiest and brilliant, and I just love Swarovskis. So that is what we're going to be using today on none other than my Jeffree Star slides. These crystals right here, which I already had, I believe they're around $9.99. These crystals right here, I have 3 packs of them. They're just the plain crystals, and these are $9.99, 10 bucks. So right now we got 40 bucks so far in crystals with just 4 packs. I actually think that these might be like $7.99, but still around 40 bucks. These right here were regular $5.99, so 6 bucks. Maybe the other ones are around 6 bucks as well. These ones are the iron-ons, but girl, we're just gluing them on, so it doesn't matter if they're iron-ons or not. They're still flat back Swarovskis, so that's what we're going to be using. And I got them for $2.97 each, and they're these really pretty purpley pink, but when you turn them a certain way, they look blue. So I thought that with the colors so far, they all kind of match together. And then I got 5 of these, $6 each, but I got them for $2.97, and they are these really pretty like gold color Swarovskis. So I thought with all of these colors kind of mixed together, even these ones that have more of the gold but blue look, which would match the purpley pink ones, and then of course your classic crystal, all of them together will really make up like a good looking blingy shoe. You will need a glue. I use E6000, and your girl puts it on with a Q-tip. I will put it on a napkin right here. It does get messy, but it's okay. And I use the E6000. And then in my Swarovski bling kit, I do have some things in here, more crystals. These ones are clear. I have some pink ones, some blue ones, but I'm really going to focus on the crystals that we bought. And that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to get my shoes out. I'm going to bring you guys in a little bit closer so you can see my hands. Thank goodness my nails are done. My girl Becca hooked me up before all this went down. So I am so happy that I got my nails done, and that I think is the first place that I'm going to go once everything is all set in the world, is to get my nails done, because I'm just that person. I need to get my nails done. But I hope everyone is staying safe out there. We're definitely taking precautions over here, and let's get started. guys, so this is the before and this is the after, all blinged out. I'm going to be finishing this one like in a day or two because I ran out of jewels. Like, I thought I had plenty. You guys saw how many I had. I still have gold and one pack of the purpley blue ones, and then I have a half of one. I went through so many jewels for this, but it looks gorgeous. Look at that sparkle and bling. That's why I love Swarovski crystals. They are my fave. So I'm gonna bling this one in a few days, and of course I'll post pictures on my Instagram. You guys can check it out at Italian Diva 13. And yeah, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this blingy, sparkly DIY, and I hope that you all stay safe out there, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, divas.